Good afternoon, my people. Today I'm going to teach you Igbo nouns that every beginner needs to know. In Igbo language, we call nouns aha. Aha. We have different types of nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name of any person, animals, places, or things. So in Igbo, we define it as aha bụ ihe a na-akpọ mmadụ, anụmanụ, ebe na ihe. Aha bụ ihe a na-akpọ mmadụ, anụmanụ, ebe na ihe. We have defined nouns. So today we have different types of nouns. The types of nouns we have names of any person. In Igbo we call it aha mmadu. Aha. Me a di o mmadu. Aha. Me a di o mmadu. Aha mmadu. Then we have names of animals. Aha anụmanụ. Aha anụmanụ. Aha. Ne o, me a, ne o. Ne o, me a, ne o. Anụmanụ. Then we have names of place or places. Aha ebe. Names of places. Aha ebe. That's how they call it in Igbo. Aha. Ebe. Aha ebe. Then we have names of things. Aha ihe. Aha ihe. That's names we call things. Aha ihe. Aha. Ihe. So these are types of nouns. So we are going to look at names of any person. So the first one is names of persons. Aha mmadu. Aha mmadu, that means what we call people. The first example is blessing. Blessing in Igbo means ngozi. Nenge or ze. Nenge or ze. Ngozi. Nenge or ze. Ngozi. First daughter in Igbo, they call them Ada. Ada. A-D-A. Ada. A-D-A. Ada. A-D-A. Ada. This one is God's own. God's own is Chinwe. Chinwe. Chi-I-Nwe-E. Chinwe. Chi-I-Nwe-E. Chinwe. Then we have praise God. Praise God in Igbo is Tochukwu. Tochukwu. T-O-Chi-O-Kwe-O. Tochukwu. T-O-Chi-O-Kwe-O. Tochukwu. T-O-Chi-O-Kwe-O. Tochukwu. The next one is mercy. Mercy is called Ebele. Ebele. Like Anambra people call Ebele. Imo call Ebere. That's why I put two of them. E-B-A-L-E, Ebele. E-B-A-L-E, Ebele. E-B-A-R-E, Ebere. E-B-A-R-E, Ebere. Then we have gift. Gift is Onyinye in Igbo. O-N-I-N-E, Onyinye. Please follow for more. Share, comment. I will be very grateful. Thank you. And God bless.